The correct IUPAC name for the following compound is. So when we are looking for an IUPAC name, that is to say we are looking for the systematic name. So this is our universal system of naming organic molecules. So what we want to do first of all is to find the parent chain. And so the parent chain is your longest carbon chain. And so in this case, it looks to be this ring, which is a 7-membered ring. So our parent name then is cyclo because it is a ring, hept because you have 7 carbon atoms, and they're all carbon-carbon single bonds, so we add ane for the alkane. So our parent is cycloheptane. And then when we have a cyclic ring system, we want to number this ring, not from like the top and clockwise. There's no rules about that. It's independent of how it's drawn. So we want to find where we're going to get the lowest substituent numbers. So we see we have these 2 carbon atoms that have substituents. One of those carbon atoms has 2 substituents, and each substituent gets its own number. So if we start there, we will have 2 substituents with the number 1, and then we want to give the next number to the next substituent and go around the ring from there. And so let's take a look at these substituents. So at carbon number 2, we have an oxygen and a 2 carbon atom chain. And this is an ether. So we name it for the carbon chain. There's 2, so that's eth. And because it's not, we have an oxygen there and it's an ether, we say ethoxy. So we have 2 ethoxy. And then if we look at carbon 1, we have 2 1 carbon atom substituents. So those are both methyl groups. So we would say dimethyl to indicate that we have 2 of them. And they each need a number to say where are these 2 methyl groups? Are they both attached to the same carbon, or where are they? Since they are attached to the same carbon, they get the same number. So we say 1, 1 dimethyl. And then, so we've got our substituent names, we've got our parent name. We want to assemble this all together. So we place our substituents in the name in alphabetical order. So we are comparing the E of ethoxy to the M of methyl. We do not include the di when we are deciding on the alphabetical order. So we're going to put the ethoxy first. So we will have 2 ethoxy, 1 dimethyl, cycloheptane. So we need to find that option. So we see a 2 ethoxy, 1 dimethyl cycloheptane. So that is our name.